Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week I will be taking you through the process of making the Jamaican traditional castor oil. So here we have the oil nut on the fire parching, and soon it will be transferred to the mortar for pounding. So a portion is transferred to the mortar for pounding. Now both portions are combined, and what will happen now is that I will pound it until it is soft and moist. Then it will be transferred to the boiling water. So here it is, almost pounded to a pulp. So it is pounded to a pulp actually, and it will now be removed to a container. So here the water is boiling, and the oil nut that is beaten to a pulp will be transferred to the boiling water. So there it is, boiling, 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 boiling. You can see it now boiling. The oil is at the top. Wow, look at that. So I'm going to take it off now, put it aside, and then skim the oil off to clarify it. There it is, clarifying. But I have to transfer it to another pot to get it to the final stage. So here it is. It's now transferred to the other pot for clarifying. So this is the oil after it's clarified in the other pot. That golden brown substance. Here's the castor oil. So I'm going to get those bubbles off and then strain it. So here it is, the Jamaican traditional castor oil. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give the video some likes.